All right, guys, we'll just show you a taping for an ankle injury or your ankle supportive tape. Again, I'm using the GoLevita 50 mil rigid sports tape for this one. Basically, we'd be doing this as a preventative measure for people who are worried about injuring their ankles during sport, or perhaps if they've had some sort of inversion sprain recently and they're trying to rehab that and get back into their sport participation in some way. Obviously, what we're trying to do with this is limit any excessive inversion or eversion of the heel bone. So really stabilising that ankle unit and hoping to minimise the risk of re-injury, I guess. So we'll start off with an anchor point sort of at the lower shin, lower third of the shin. We'll start with our anchor point around the sort of lower third of the shin. I like to use 3 stirrups around the ankle joint. So you're basically coming from lateral to medial, then medial to lateral, and lateral to medial. These are the pieces of tape that will probably be doing most of the support. So it's important to try and get the foot into a relatively neutral position when you're applying these. I like to have my first one just posterior to the lateral malleolus. And then you gradually work your way forward. It's important to have some tension through the tape, particularly when you're coming back up towards the anchor point. Excellent. So those are our 3 stirrups. Like I said, that's going to be doing the majority of the, I guess, the strengthening or the stabilisation with the inversion and eversion of the ankle. Secondly, we'll now do 2 figure-8 straps. Basically, what you're trying to do there is go from your anchor point and then loop around the midfoot and then come back up. This will really lock the midfoot and the ankle joint into a really stable position and help reduce the risk of any further injury. So we do 1 starting laterally. Again, important to pull some tension on the tape as you come back up towards that anchor point. And then you'll do the other figure-8 starting medially. So you're replicating that same process, but on the other side of the ankle joint. Again, applying some tension as we come back up to that ankle point. I like to do 1 more fastening strip around the top of the ankle there, just to hold all the tape in place. Just careful not to make that too tight, because it can feel a little bit uncomfortable if you're putting too much tension around the top there. because that's just basically locking everything in place. That's your standard ankle taping. Our athlete's here ready to go off and play sport now.